Once you define your haul ranges, you can do a couple things. You can do a grade at point. Basically, the grade at point is going to specify a grade along in the alignment which you want material balanced and haul ranges applied. So you could do that, or as well as using the auto balance, where I could come in and tell it that I want to balance, either borrowed or on-site rock material, usable, unusable material. But if I say all materials and click apply, you're going to see now it's actually gone through and done some auto balancing on my project, so I can see where my dozer pushes are and where those balance lines are. So if I was to come in and pick this dozer here, I could look at the the balance line report, which is going to provide me with some information about this particular balance line. So you can see basically you get a report that shows you the information about this particular balance line. And basically it's a 2-page report.